Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up.
Don't ever update or change anything on your campaign. Ad set or ads level. Never, okay? Let me show you what Facebook says about this directly, okay? This is a screenshot taken from Facebook's Business Manager, okay? Learning phase, okay? What does it say? Every edit you make during the learning phase or after it has some effect on delivery, but not everyone resets the learning phase. If the edit isn't significant, the learning phase won't reset. I have found, guys, that this to be quite basically open for discussion. You know, like if you, it's quite arbitrary, but they might be considering significant. Let me go on, let me skip to the last line, okay? For example, if you increase your budget from 100 to 101, that isn't likely to reset the learning phase. Okay, so that's great, Facebook, right? That's great, that's so exciting. So that means that I can scale my ads from $100 to 101. That's some massive, that's really aggressive, right? And maybe it isn't likely to reset the learning phase. Guys, what does that even mean? It basically says that we cannot do anything to our ads. Who's interested, raise your hand if you're interested in scaling an ad from $100 to 101 a day. Hello? It's ridiculous, right? So this is what they're saying right there. However, if you change your budget from 100 to 1,000, that may reset the learning phase. Guys, you know what I would do? This, what I say right here, okay? I would actually, don't ever update or change anything on your campaign, ad set or ads level, unless Facebook fixes this. Right now, it's not fixed. Right now, pretty much everything. Actually, if you increase from $100 a day by 10%, $110, I have seen that to be okay, but recently, it has started to reset the ads. So what I'm doing, guys, is started to reset the learning phase. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm actually just, if I see results on a campaign, on an ad set, is it getting leads? If it's getting like traction, conversions, purchases, overall something, okay? I don't touch it. I duplicate the ad set and I make whatever changes that I want to make there. Budget-wise, audience-wise, creative-wise, if I want to test out new ads, I literally duplicate it and test out new ads at that point, okay? Change the ad there. But overall, guys, once you have a winning thing, don't change it. Don't touch it. Leave it alone. Leave it alone, okay? Even if you selected a $10 budget, just leave it alone and just duplicate. There's no reason for that. It's not going to help you. It's actually going to ruin and ruin your results over and over. I'm sure you guys can relate. You made some changes and you thought it was all great and you were excited and you scaled the budget and it killed your results overall, okay? Any change to targeting, any change to ad creative, any change to optimization event, pausing your ad set for 7 days or longer, adding a new ad to your ad set. Look at this, guys, directly from Facebook.